Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. In today's video, I was not just feeling myself. I just woke up around 2 a.m. and I was feeling really down, but I said to spray a little water on my face to see if that will keep me going. So this is the hair that I will be working with. The name is Bouncy Kinky and I'll be using Shine and Jam. So today's video is how to slick natural hair, beginner friendly, how to slick your natural hair. Alright, and this video is a requested video from my one and only Excel's Corner. Okay, so what I'm doing here is actually to loosen my twist so that I can begin work, but I'll go off camera and lose the remaining twist so that I just don't keep you waiting. Okay, so I tried to part my hair at first and then I realized that no, it is not going, so I went ahead and sprayed water. Now the first step that I want you all to do in this video, I had already moisturized my hair, like properly moisturized my hair. That is why I am not starting off with moisturizing my hair again, and that is what you have to do before you start. You have to moisturize your hair properly and properly detangle it. Now because I tried to part and I noticed that my hair is not well detangled at the roots, that is why I am combing it again, even though I've combed it before, and I'm spraying only water to reactivate the leave-in conditioner and the hair cream that I had applied earlier. Okay, if you've not done that, that is what you have to do. Section your hair, detangle it, spray water, apply your leave-in conditioner and your cream before you even started. Now if your hair is shorter, please don't just start with chunky half like this and start applying gel. All you have to do is cut it bit by bit, apply gel, section it in this half. If your hair is shorter, you can section this half like 3 times. Section the first, apply gel, section again, apply gel, then the last apply gel, then pack it. Okay, so this front part I'm going to go off camera to properly detangle it, because this is where the game starts. You want this front part to be as well detangled as possible, because that is what is going to make your slick come out final, come out looking well slicked. And so it needs to be properly detangled. Okay, and so for me not to waste your precious time again, I went off camera to do that. All right, I'm going to be detangling again here, but not as much as I've done before offline. All right, what you are seeing me do is just to show you how important what you see me do is to show you how important it is for the hair to really be well detangled, at least 70 to 80%, because our natural hair can never ever be detangled 100%, I think. All right, so now I've sectioned the small part out. I'm going to slick that part first, tie it at the back, then go ahead and slick the ones in the front. Please take your time. The mistake that I made in this video was that I didn't use quite enough gel, and in my own opinion, I don't think Shine and Jam is for slick. So part the small section, slick it, tie it back, and then move on to the other section. So for this one, I'm going to section it as a whole as it is, but I will have to detangle it first. Like I said, I'll have to properly comb it and brush it. Even though I've done that before, I'll still have to go ahead and comb it and brush it, just letting you know how important this process is. Now if your hair is shorter than mine, please don't just catch a chunky half like this. You have to divide it into another half. Divide it into 2, apply gel in the first half, then brush and slick it, tie it back, then apply gel on the second half and brush it again. Okay, this is what will enable you to get a perfect looking slick. that will lay flat as if no, your hair is not natural hair again. So that's essentially what I am doing. Towards the end of this video, I am going to show you the result of this hair after one day and what I did to restore it back. In a video following this one, I'm going to give you full details of what I did. So if you're not subscribed yet, now would be the best time to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified when the video comes up. If you're planning on looking cute this December without breaking the bank. Also, in that video that is coming up soon, I'm also going to show you a really cheap alternative gel for shine and jam that holds super strong, super effective without breaking the bank. Very affordable. Alright, so my loves, please, if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Also, please try and give me a like for this video so that it will get to more people who might also find this video helpful. Thank you very much for your time and thank you for your support. So once I am done slicking the hair, I'm going to go ahead now and braid the back into 2 braids that I will tie, because that's where I'll be attaching my ponytails. So I'll divide it into half and braid it. I will start the process of fixing the ponytail. But please, I would advise that you actually tie this part and let it dry properly before fixing the ponytail. That's the second mistake that I made. Tie this hair, allow it to sit overnight so that it will dry properly, because if it's not well dry, the ponytail is going to mess it up before, you know, attaching the ponytail. It was a mistake that I made. Alright guys, so this ponytail comes in 4 bundles. I ended up using 3 at first, and then in the morning I fixed the last one, making it four bundles. So I ended up using 4 bundles, the entire kinky for this hair. Alright, so attaching this extension to the hair is very simple. Just follow what you see me do here, and then section out a little part from under. I did from the side, but please do yours from the under. Then you want to wrap it around the hair securely. Use a bobby pin to hold it by the time you finish wrapping it around the hair. This process is just to make sure that the extension holds in place and doesn't fall out when you're moving around. You get? So this is just to help it to stay in place. So I got this cute little design by chance, and I tried to get it on this other side, but no, it was not working. I tried everything, using the tip of the comb, using the comb itself. It wasn't just working and I gave up. A few hours later, this is what the hair is looking like. It was time for the big occasion for which I was preparing this hairstyle for. So this is what the hair was currently looking like. It was looking so fine. I was feeling like that kind of big rich auntie vibe. I'm telling you, this cheap hair is very cute, baby. So the next day, this is what the hair was looking like. It has gone rough, super old, and so I decided to do something, and then this is what the hair is looking like after I restored it. And like I said, I made a video about it. Alright, beautiful people, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time and your support. I'll see you all in my next video. Compliment of the season till I come your way next time. Ciao ciao. Mwah.